Hi, I'm immigration attorney Heather Poole. Today I'm speaking to you about reinstatement of removal. Always consult a competent licensed immigration attorney before filing any relief, and if you are in this situation. An immigration law put into effect on April 1, 1997 created reinstatement of removal. Reinstatement is a special provision that applies to individuals who have had removal orders both prior to 1997 and after 1997, who have left the United States after removal and then illegally re-entered the U.S. If a person is caught after illegally re-entering, they cannot file to reopen their case with the immigration court to try to reverse the order. A person subject to reinstatement is not eligible for any type of immigration benefit. Immigration and Customs Protection agents will execute the old order and remove the person from the United States without the ability for the immigrant to talk to a judge again. If you are ever put in this circumstance, you will not be able to see an immigration judge and will be taken outside the United States without a hearing. There are only a few types of immigrants that reinstatement of removal does not apply to. If you are applying for a green card under the legalization program and are covered under certain lawsuits, or are an applicant covered under NACARA from Nicaragua, Cuba, El Salvador, Guatemala, or certain Eastern European bloc countries, you may also be exempt from reinstatement of removal. Reinstatement is a very scary provision and can apply to many people. There are other limited examples of ways to get around reinstatement, but you want to be very careful not to re-enter the United States illegally after you have a deportation order. The essential elements of reinstatement require that there was an illegal re-entry. Many people who have overstayed a removal order are not subject to reinstatement, and a removal proceeding can still be reopened, and possibly a removal order can be reversed. Further, if you re-entered after a removal order and can prove that you legally entered, not illegally, you may be able to prove that you re-entered legally, which would mean that you are not subject to reinstatement of removal. Even if you were taken outside of the country, outside of the U.S. when they reinstate an order, you can still file a petition with the court within 30 days to review the reinstatement order itself, if you have grounds to show that it was illegally applied. It is extremely important to speak with an immigration attorney if you have a removal order to determine if any action can be taken for you to save your immigration case. There may be alternatives for you to get around reinstatement of removal that are not discussed in this video. If you need my help, feel free to call me or complete our consultation questionnaire on our website, humanrightsattorney.com. Thank you and good luck.